What's up, YouTube? I'm Emily here, back for another video. That was horrifying. Anyways, guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a paper bag squishy. So, yeah. So let me go get the ingredients real fast. Okay, so I'm back, and I have all. Okay, so I am back, and I have all the ingredients. So first, as you saw, you're gonna need some scissors. A Sharpie would be best, and if you don't have a Sharpie, a black marker. A black marker will be good. So, and next you need one of these Ziploc. Now I just poked my eye with it. These Ziploc bags. You can't even see it. It's just blurry. And then it's not blurry. And you do need some cotton or some cotton balls. So let me go get that real fast. Okay. So I have these cotton balls. So you do need a lot to fill up it, but yeah. So first you just want to get your plastic bag and start filling it in with it. Let me get some more. Okay, so I have this big blob of cotton. Just gonna fill it up. Next, just zip it up. I need some more cotton, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I filled it up, and as you can see, it does like open. See, then all the cotton will just like pop out. So you don't want that. So you're gonna take your scissors and just clip it off like that. It's slow rising the little bottom edges, and then you just want to take your marker and just decorate whatever you want on it. So I'm just doing, it looks like a cloud. That's what it reminds me of. So it's really slow rising. See, it's slow rising. Really cool. I love it. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like this video. And if you tried this and it worked, comment down below. And my face is erasing. So, I'm just gonna do it again. Okay. So, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And like this video, even though I already said it. And comment down below if you did this. Bye.